In her series for ISTE, Professor Helen Crompton from Old Dominion University unpacks the term environment to include 4 components. 1. Locations where learning occurs. 2. Connectivity for students and teachers to access information and people. 3. Social and cultural influences, including people's attitudes and perceptions of technology use. And 4. The tools students and teachers use in those environments. What practices and strategies do you use to help find and manage technology resources throughout learning environments? How do you ensure online and blended environments effectively support learning? Check out this video from Estes and Fairfax County for ideas on how they embody learning designers in their daily work. Each coach was asked to reflect on the following 3 questions. How might I empower others to personalize lesson experience design in a blended environment? How am I supporting assessment for learning through the use of digital tools? How do I empower educators to design to the edges of accessibility? As you review the videos, think about how you might respond to these same questions based upon your experiences at Estes, or even working with other colleagues in your school. Do these responses bring up any questions?